comforting space, she said simply and tenderly, "Malole lo tutele falele, o tutalo pe amoe." And in that safe embrace, I felt the empathy, the compassion, o le mawhanawhana o le alofa moni whātina, and the kind of tender love that only my own mother could ever effectively impart to me at such times. Tina pele mtafa, i tafi malalo malanga i mawuso nufuanga tumau i malolo wali. Whaftai tele molo sao tele i le mawhtanga tinai a wala ese. Na whaatino ailo wanga le lei. Lo nau ia maupopo, ma ia whaalwhani o tātou mawhtanga. Thank you for being my constant, prayerful supporter. Thank you for the wonderful love and kindness I have always enjoyed from you. Whaftai molo tapua inga whaatina moa, mo ma ua, mai ngā ruenga. You are easily one of the best women I've ever had the joy to know. E moni alawa upo, e loa le tamali'i iana tū maanga. And for the last time, I say back to you the words you always say to me. I love you so much. And in the fullness of time, we shall meet again on that glorious morning. Until then, e re ngaloe, e re ngalo na loe. Ia manuia no malanga. Wha o mātu smul mau, o te wal au atu i tupulanga mothers, o te maitai, e su mai roa tātou wawanoa, e uswai tātou pese a walofa tātou tina. Tātou wha mawai iai.
Turn that off. Stand up off. She only needs to hear us. Here it is.
Malole soifua. My name is Taufa'asino'i'uputu'uoleatunu'u. I'm the eldest daughter of the Taufa'asino'i'uputu'uoleatunu'u and the late Salu Falesalafai. I stand here with my siblings, Adilo Lipidi Sialele and Matapa Panibasa, who's in Sydney. thank you for the opportunity. To tell you the truth, my heart was bursting because everything that everyone said about Auntie, I was thinking about Galatians 5, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Amen. Auntie was like that. What a good faithful servant. Auntie, we love you so much. I don't want to repeat anything else that everyone else has said. As I stand here, I'm reminded of my dad who's in Samoa. Our connection is through our father and Auntie. He's from Falesalafai, and I stand here with gratitude and knowing Auntie. We grew up with Manino, like yourselves. We were all siblings to this woman who was an only child. She wasn't really an only child. She had all of us as siblings, and I looked up to her as an older sister, and love you so much, Nino. You mean so much to us. Like you, we must have slept in the same bedrooms that you all did, except Farilo got to stay and I was sent home. Our parents had a close relationship with